Welcome back to From the South. Brazil faces a housing crisis with the federal government cutting its public housing budget by 98%. However, social movements and left-wing local authorities are working to address the deficit. Our correspondent Brian Mier reports.
During 14 years of Workers' Party rule, the Brazilian federal government spent billions of dollars on self-managed autonomous housing construction in partnership with working-class social movements. Since the 2016 coup, however, most of these projects have been paralyzed as the Bolsonaro administration cut its housing budget by 98%.
Our constitution says we have the right to housing, but in reality we don't see it happening. The pandemic isn't just affecting housing. Groceries have gotten really expensive and we squatted on vacant land because families are having to choose between eating or paying rent.
The housing crisis has caused left-wing mayors across the country to take matters into their own hands. After 150 families from the MLB social movement squatted on an empty lot in Diadema, São Paulo, the mayor's office announced it will close an illegal parking lot and build ownership-based housing for the families on it. In the meantime, it's providing 18 months of financial support to the social movement.
The end of the federal social housing program directly affected the social movement and the families that can no longer afford to pay rent. So we created a municipal program to support housing movements. We're going to strengthen the movements so they can support poor families.
Brazilian Workers' Party mayors and people's housing movements hope that they can work together to reduce Brazil's deficit of 6 million housing units. Brian Mier, teleSUR, Diadema.